What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It is Tuesday again, we are out jumping and I'm going to do this plyo challenge from this one to this one to that one. Let's see if I'm getting it. After this challenge we're going to Nijmegen to train at spots we didn't train at last week. Let's go. That felt good. Yeah. Sick. Let's get it. Got this challenge done. Been looking at this one for quite some time now. Today I felt strong, so I decided to do it. I did it, sticked it. Day is already perfect. Let's go to the next challenge. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Okay, did some cool challenges. Also very happy with this backflip precision. Quite a mental one, but pretty happy I got it. Only Daniel has some pain in his foot. Yeah, he did this 180 cat leap as well, and I almost got it. But unfortunately, he bumped his toe into the wall, and now his toe hurts. We are going back to the car, driving to Nijmegen now, and then training there. Let's go. Okay guys, next is spot that we decided not to go to Nijmegen because we need to drive an hour. So when we arrive in Nijmegen we can only train for 1 hour. So we decided to train 2 hours right now, then drive an hour and then go to teaching. So yeah, this is the spot next to this boat building. So yeah, let's go.
Nou.
Hoi hoi. Oh, lelijk joh. Oh, dude.
That's not good enough!
Okay guys, when we were at Urban Summer Festival, we had this after party and I saw someone do a front flip, a Russian front flip, but on a different way, technique, I don't know. And he was doing like, swinging his arms like this, helicopter, and then pop, into a front flip. So I'm going to try that because it's fun. It works. Okay, next is spot. Again, this was just a small spot. Did some fun stuff here. Going on to the next one, and this spot is a new one. Daniel found this one on Google Maps, so we're going to check out if it is a real spot, if we can do stuff there. So let's go. We just found ourselves a water challenge. Only the water is green and not blue, but we're going to jump from this wall to this one and from this one up to this one. Hopefully we don't get wet. If we get wet, it's not that big of a problem because it's warm. The only thing is that we need to drive 1 hour, so don't get wet. Oh. We are checking if the jumps are possible from the one side to the other. First of all, we're going to jump this one. Then we're going to jump from the wall to the bridge, and then hopefully we can connect the two from wall to bridge, from bridge to wall. But that's first check. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's fine. Now we're jumping back. GoPro, stop recording. Yeah. Nailed it. Yes. Okay guys, I will stop the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, put on the bell so that you get a notification every time I post a video. Keep jumping, peace out, see you next Friday.